Hello students, we have already started with our chapter energy. We have studied what is energy and what is work in our last video along with their units. The energy is capability to do the work. किसी भी work को करने के लिए जो capability है that is your energy, and work is when force is applied in a particular direction and displacement also occur in that direction, that means work is done. Fine. So now in this chapter we will study various forms of energy and their interconversion. So let's start today's video. First one is mechanical energy. So we will study what is mechanical energy. So the energy possessed by a body due to the displacement caused in it by the application of force. That means when force is applied, when we apply a force on a body, fine, and due to which some displacement occur, like if you see this bow and arrow, in this was the initial position of the string. We have pulled it back. Because of this pulling, some kind of energy is stored in it. That energy is called as mechanical energy. Now this energy is of two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. What is potential energy? That energy stored in a body due to its position or configuration. So this is your this is the example. Bow and arrow is the example of potential energy when there is a change in position. Position जो है, if that is changing, like if a person is carrying a brick to first floor or to the second floor, so when it goes up, the energy will be stored in the brick. That energy is your potential energy. Fine. Now next is your kinetic energy. The energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion. Like you were carrying the brick on the first floor, it was carrying a potential energy. Now if you throw it down, that potential energy gets converted into the kinetic energy, because here the brick is having some motion when it is falling down. So kinetic energy is possessed by the body, depends on mass and velocity. These are the two things on which your kinetic energy depends. Speed of a train, flying aeroplane or flowing water, all are having the kinetic energy. Flowing water, as you know, flowing water is stored in the dams, and then it is being allowed to fall from a certain height, and which moves the turbines, which that means the energy, the potential energy of the water gets converted into kinetic energy, which moves the turbines, leading to the generation of electricity. Fine. Next is, so these were your potential energy and the kinetic energy. The next energy is heat energy. Now what is this heat, whether it is energy or not? So let's see whether heat is energy or not. So the energy released when we burn wood, oil or gas is called heat energy. So what is heat energy? जो energy जब हम कोयल को, वुड को, ऑयल को, गैस को, इन सब चीज़ों को बर्न करते हैं तो जो एनर्जी निकलती है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज हीट एनर्जी. स्टीम पोजेस द हीट एनर्जी विच इज़ कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग वर्क. लाइक इफ़ यू हीट द प्रेशर कुकर, if there is a pressure cooker, fine, so this is pressure cooker, when gas is burnt the heat is coming out because of which this is going to be heated. अब ये वर्क क्या कर रहा है? when the steam becomes full inside this pressure cooker, जब steam full हो जाएगी तो what will happen? It will give you the whistle. That means it is moving the whistle in the upward direction. So some displacement is there. That means work is being done. Fine. So lifting of the whistle of the pressure cooker shows that work is done. That means heat energy जो है that is capable of doing the work. And we have certain examples of this. James Watt used the energy of steam in the steam engine. In automobiles, in power stations, we use coal for generation of electricity. Fine. Automobiles जो हैं they also need heat energy, and which they get from petrol or diesel or CNG burning. Fine. Then next is your light energy. Light is a form of energy in the presence of which other objects are seen. So light is energy जिसके कारण हम दूसरे objects को देख सकते हैं. It creates a it creates a sensation in our eyes. Now, why we are calling it energy? Whether it is doing any work? Now, let's see. It is a very weak kind of energy. Light is energy, but it is not that strong. Now, if you see the dust particle, when light falls in on the dust particle, they keep on vibrating, they keep on moving. That shows some work is being done. Even plants also use this light energy, and they convert the light energy into chemical. Photosynthesis may, in the process of photosynthesis, they use this light energy so that they can make their food. So, light energy is converted into chemical energy in the process of photosynthesis, and the vibration of small particles shows some work is being done by the light energy. Then comes sound energy. It's a vibrating body possess sound energy. Sound ka we have a separate chapter also. Here we are going to learn a little bit about this. So, vibrating body, any body which is producing sound, that means it is vibrating, वो vibrate कर रही है. Sound does not seem to move the objects. It is fairly weak kind of energy. Like light energy was also weak kind of energy, but and sound energy is also weak kind of energy. But it is, your eardrums will be vibrated by this energy, which create a sensation in your brain. So that means it is capable of doing a work, because it is generating some vibration in your eardrum. So eardrum में vibrations को generate कर रही है, that means some work is being done, some work is done, that means it's energy. Fine. Next comes electric energy. You know, a lot of electric appliances are there in your home also, like fan, you have cooler, you have TV, you have AC, you have ceiling fans, table fans, grinder, juicers, mixers. All these things work on electric energy. Fine. So it is used in heating the devices. Heaters में, heaters, आपके गीजर्स, ब्लोअर्स, वो हीटिंग के काम आते हैं. They are used for lightning also. Bulbs and tubes, they are used for cooling down also, like ACs and fridge. Then comes magnetic energy. A magnet is a material that attracts the certain substances. Magnet होता क्या है? एक material होता है जो दूसरे substances को attract करता है. वो किसको attract करता है? Iron, cobalt and nickel. These are the magnetic substances. Magnetic substances matlab those who are attracted by the magnet. So these are called as the magnetic substances. So when this energy is being used, they got attracted towards the magnet and they moved, they got stuck to that. So that means some motion is there because of this energy, some displacement is there. So that's why this is energy. We use electromagnets in various cranes, in TVs, in transistors, in electric motors, generators. In all those telephones, we use electromagnet. That means electromagnets are the devices. When you pass the electricity through them, they work as a magnet. So this is your magnetic energy. Then the next is chemical energy. The energy possessed by the fuels, coal, oil, gas, etc. is called as chemical energy. केमिकल, जो केमिकल से मिल रही है हमें. अब केमिकल क्या है यहाँ पर? कोयल है, ऑयल है, गैस है, ये सब क्या हो गए? केमिकल एनर्जी के सोर्स हो गए. फाइन. जैसे हमारी कार किससे चलती है? पेट्रोल से, डीजल से, सीएनजी से. तो ये सब केमिकल एनर्जी होते हैं. अगर नेचुरल हमारे पास यहाँ से हमें नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज से मिलते हैं, ये सीएनजी एंड योर डीजल, ऑल द काइंड ऑफ फ्यूल्स. फाइन. हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? फूड से. सो फूड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी in our body. Fine. So that is also a chemical process. And the last one in this is nuclear energy. The energy which is generated due to the breaking. एक जो एटम है उसका न्यूक्लियस अगर ब्रेक हो जाता है उससे, या दो छोटे छोटे जो एटम्स हैं, they combine and make a bigger one. Fine. So this is your nuclear energy, which is large, enormous amount of energy. Hydrogen bomb, atom bomb, they are the examples of nuclear energy release. And this is, we have nuclear power stations for generation of electricity. And in this nuclear energy process, huge amount of energy is being produced. So it's a large amount of energy source. And then we have very important thing which we have studied earlier also. What is the prime source of energy to the earth, which is sun. Sun is the prime source of energy for the earth, because without sun not anything will be there if sun is not there, because we get our food from plants. Plants make their food with the help of sunlight. So ultimately we are also having sunlight in our food. Fine. So this was all about different kinds of energy. Next thing in this is interconversion of energy. Interconversion मतलब एक फॉर्म की एनर्जी को दूसरी फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना. लाइक मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इनटू हीट, लाइट एंड साउंड. अब एक मेरे पास है मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, उसको हीट, लाइट और साउंड एनर्जी में मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है. Fine. When you rub your hands, if you are rubbing your hands, you will find that your palms gets heated. Your palm gets heated. So that is converting the mechanical energy. This is your kinetic energy. Moving of hands is kinetic energy, and it is converted into heat energy due to the force of friction. When the blade of knife is placed against the rotating, जब हम नाइफ को रोटेटिंग व्हील, ग्राइंडिंग व्हील के पास रखते हैं, इवन देन हीट एनर्जी एंड लाइट एनर्जी एंड साउंड एनर्जी इज बीइंग जनरेटेड. व्हेन ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड, कार में आपने देखा होगा जब ब्रेक अप्लाई करते हैं, देयर ऑल्सो यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ साउंड एंड हीट देयर. दूसरा है हमारे पास मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इनटू पोटेंशियल एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट करना हमें पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में और काइनेटिक एनर्जी में. नाउ व्हेन वी विंड अ वॉच, वॉच में हम जब चाबी भरते हैं, देन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर द हैंड्स चेंजेस इनटू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ अ स्प्रिंग. स्प्रिंग की जो है उसकी हम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट करते हैं, एंड जब हम उसको लीव करते हैं, अनवाइंड करते हैं, देन दैट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू योर काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सेम बो एरो का हमें पढ़ ही चुके हैं. जब हम बो आपके उसकी स्ट्रिंग को खींचते हैं इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, दैट कॉजेज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी स्टोरेज इन द थ्रेड, एंड व्हेन वी लीव इट, स्ट्रिंग को लीव करते हैं जब स्ट्रिंग को, देन दैट कन्वर्टेड इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट इज योर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ वाटर इन द हाइड्रल डैम्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. हाइड्रल डैम्स पे क्या होता है, we store the water. This is the water. Here potential energy is there in the water. Then we allow the water to fall in the downward direction. So that means this potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. And here we have fixed some turbines. This is the turbine. So when the water falls on it, water falls on it, they rotate and the electricity will be generated. So this is how potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy and which further gets converted into electric energy. Fine. Next is chemical energy into light. Chemical energy को light की energy में हमें convert करना है. When a torch is switched on, chemical energy gets converted. Like आपके torch है, if this is your torch, टॉर्च में क्या है, सेल है, ये सेल क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, केमिकल एनर्जी है इनकी. लाइट जो है, व्हेन यू स्विच ऑन, तो दैट एनर्जी गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू लाइट एनर्जी. सो टॉर्च इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल वेयर केमिकल एनर्जी गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द लाइट एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इनटू हीट एनर्जी. what everybody knows what is the example for that. Room heater, geysers, toaster, electric iron, all these devices, electric energy gets converted into the heat energy. Next is heat energy into electric energy. Now heat energy को, this is reverse of it. In thermal power stations पे क्या होता है, we burn the coal, this is your coal, we burn the coal and which moves the which gets converted into the electric energy. So by the burning of coal, steam is generated and steam forces the turbines and steam जो है that moves the turbines and because of which electric energy is being generated. So heat energy into electric energy is at the thermal power stations. And our next in this is electric energy into magnetic energy. This is electromagnet. When you pass द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स, कॉइल के अंदर से जब आप करंट को पास करते हो, इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द magnet which attracts the different magnetic substances. Then we have electric energy into light energy. Then we have electric energy into light energy like CFL, electric bulbs, tubes, all are the examples of electric energy into light energy. Then we have light energy into electric energy like photovoltaic cells, where which grab the energy from the sun and they store the energy, and when it is being used they produce the electric energy. So photovoltaic cells जो हैं, they are the examples of light energy into electric energy. Then sound energy into electric energy. Sound energy, we speak in front of microphone के आगे हम बोलते हैं. So microphone क्या करता है, साउंड एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. Electric energy into sound energy. So when varying electric impulses are passed through the speaker of radio or any other audio system, it changes into sound. जैसे रेडियो या स्पीकर है, वहाँ से अगर हम बात करते हैं, there it is being converted. Chemical energy into mechanical energy. Chemical energy of petroleum, natural gases is converted into heat energy. Fine. And which moves the turbines, which is used for moving the different vehicles. That is the example of your chemical into mechanical. Electric energy into chemical energy. अब जब लेड एसिड बैटरीज घर पे भी जब आपके बैटरीज लगी होती हैं आपके, वहाँ पर क्या होता है, वो सब उन सब में केमिकल्स होते हैं. फाइन. सो इलेक्ट्रिक उनको चार्जिंग किससे मिलती है, इन्वर्टर की बात करें, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्वर्टर्स that is being used as a when the electricity goes. So when the electricity comes, they gets charged, and that's why electrical energy is being used for the into the chemical energy. Light energy into chemical energy, best example is photosynthesis, where they take the light from the sun and get it converted into chemical energy. Now next is sun is the ultimate source of energy. sun जो है इस दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सोर्स है किसका, एनर्जी का. अब उसके लिए कितने हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, लाइक सोलर एनर्जी है. सोलर एनर्जी जो है वो विंड एनर्जी में, टाइडल एनर्जी, एनर्जी ऑफ सी वेव्स, वो सब जो है कनेक्टेड हैं सोलर एनर्जी से. सोलर एनर्जी के कारण वाटर साइकिल होता है. You know that what is water cycle? Water gets evaporated from the earth's surface due to the heat. It goes up, makes the cloud and comes back. So whole water cycle is depending on this sun only. Then we have all the plants, they also need the light energy, this energy coming from the sun, so that they can go for this process photosynthesis and make their food, which is ultimately being consumed by the human beings and all the other creatures, whether animals or anybody else on the earth. So they are the source of, in plants also it's the solar energy. Then different species which they got buried, all the fuels like petrol or diesel, what are they are being the animals which have died many years ago, they got buried under the surface of the earth, then their bodies got changed into the petroleum or natural gases. So these also from where it is coming, the animals and the plants, and where they are getting energy from which they are getting energy, they are getting energy from the sun itself. So sun के आसपास, सोलर एनर्जी के आसपास ही सब होते हैं, चाहे वो ह्यूमंस हों, चाहे वो प्लांट्स हों, चाहे वो हमारे फ्यूल्स हैं, चाहे वो हमारे विंड एनर्जी है, टाइडल एनर्जी है, हर तरह की जो एनर्जी है that is being dependent on the solar energy. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy says the energy is neither created nor destroyed. एनर्जी जो है उसको ना तो हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ना हम डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. द सम ऑफ टोटल एनर्जी रिमेन सेम. टोटल एनर्जी जो है वो हमेशा सेम रहती है. जैसे हमने वाटर की बात की थी, दिस इज द वाटर एट द डैम. when it fall down, here it is potential energy. Same energy जो है वो kinetic energy में convert होती है. Fine. So some energy, then after kinetic energy it is electrical energy. फाइन. सो ये जो एनर्जी है एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो रही है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक इट इज़ बीइंग लॉस्ट. सो एनर्जी इज नाइदर क्रिएटेड nor can be destroyed, but the sum always remain the same. सम एनर्जी जो है, अब ये नहीं है कि टोटल जितनी भी काइनेटिक एनर्जी थी वो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. सम पार्ट ऑफ एनर्जी गॉट डिसिपेटेड इनसाइड द वाटर ओनली. इट रिमेन्स इनसाइड द वाटर. Fine. And that energy cannot be converted into the electric energy, but it is there. It's not that it is being lost somewhere. So what does law of conversion of energy says? Energy is neither created, ना तो हम बना सकते हैं ना destroy कर सकते हैं. The sum of all the energies remain the same in that particular process. That is your law of conservation of energy. Okay. So that was all about different kinds of energy, how they are being interconverted from one form to another form, and then in the end we have studied the law of conservation of energy. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please go and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.